Shockingly simple screw driving. Meet the skill, rechargeable 4V cordless screwdriver with circuit sensor technology. Imagine tackling any DIY project without that heart-stopping moment when you wonder, is this wire live? This little power-packed wonder is here to save your nerves and fingers. First off, let's talk safety. This isn't just any screwdriver. It's a superhero in disguise with its circuit sensor technology, bravely detecting live wires a whole inch away. Goodbye accidental shocks. Equipped with a mighty 4V lithium-ion battery, this tool doesn't just screw, it powers through tight spaces with reliable torque and zero hesitation. DIY legends, here we come. Here's a tool that screams convenience. With USB charging, say farewell to bulky chargers. And its lightweight design, it slips and slides through confined spaces, making it your new sidekick for those tricky cabinet repair days. Plus, built-in LED lighting, because sometimes we all need a spotlight to shine in those low-light battlefields, aka your dusty garage corners. Oh, and it brings friends. A 9-piece bit set, ready to conquer Phillips, flathead, and Torx screws alike, all snug in its own carrying case. Organization has never looked this stylish. So, are you ready to transform your DIY game? Click the link in the description to grab your skill rechargeable screwdriver today and feel the electric thrill of DIY triumph.